Amidst the vibrant energy of the foreign city, a group of students finds themselves caught in the middle of a passionate protest. The image on the flyer sparks a flicker of concern in one student's eyes, igniting a flame of determination. Armed with newfound knowledge, she dives deep into the cause, uncovering the devastating impact of the construction project on the monkey's habitat. The barriers of authority loom large, challenging the resolve of those seeking justice for the voiceless creatures. A digital revolution takes shape as the students amplify their message, transforming whispers of dissent into a global outcry for change. Beneath the glossy facade of progress lies a dark underbelly of corruption, threatening to crush the hopes of the defiant youngsters. The battle lines are drawn as courage clashes with authority, testing the resilience of the young warriors in the face of adversity. From a small spark of rebellion, a roaring blaze of solidarity engulfs the world, turning the tide in favor of the underdogs. In the heart of the labyrinth lies the puppeteer pulling the strings, their grip tightening as the truth threatens to unravel their web of lies. United as one, they stand tall against the storm, a beacon of defiance against the forces that seek to silence them. Amidst the rubble of defeat, a new beginning emerges, a testament to the power of unity and perseverance in the face of insurmountable odds.